Hello friends, Namaskar. I am Dr. Maulik Shah, MD Pediatrics from Vatsalya Super Specialty Child's Clinic, Malad, Mumbai. During this scenario of COVID-19 infection everywhere and lockdown, many of the patients are giving me a call कि सर वैक्सीनेशन के लिए क्या करना चाहिए बिकॉज करंटली लॉकडाउन की वजह से वो लोग बाहर ट्रैवल नहीं कर सकते हैं एंड वैक्सीनेशन इज पेंडिंग सिंस ऑलमोस्ट अ मंथ एंड ऑल. So, how to go about? Frankly speaking, my friends, I have personally messaged to each of my patients that by first week of April, the ACVIP committee, which is an committee from the apex body of Indian Academy of Pediatrics, who formalized the vaccination schedule, they have released a guidelines that vaccinations are supposed to be considered as an essential services and that has to be continued. So my dear friends, I have messaged this personally to each and every of my patient, but still there are a number of queries which each and every person has. There are three specific questions what I encounter daily for the vaccination calls. First and foremost thing, I would just like to clarify for all those things because each and every time when I receive a call, I get the same queries repeatedly and I keep on explaining everyone the same situation. So I thought let's make a video on it and post it like this. Three questions are answered in this video. The first most common question I receive is, due to this lockdown, how long can I postpone my child's vaccination? मैं कितना delay कर सकता हूँ so that I don't take my child out in the environment. So the answer to this question is, see, delay कितना कर सकते हो उसका तो I cannot say, because from the healthcare professional, as a healthcare professional, I would not recommend any sort of delay. It is up to you what you want the best for your child. So I personally recommend कि the vaccination should be done at the date when it is falling. लॉकडाउन हो ना हो, कुछ भी इमरजेंसी सिचुएशंस के लिए एनीवेज यू आर गोइंग टू गो टू डॉक्टर, तो consider this as an that essential and emergency services only, because the protection towards this disease is equally important as compared to the protection against COVID. So essential service है, important service है, you have to consult it and take the vaccines on time. Do not delay. Few of the patients have told me कि sir, because of the situation कि हमारे ही building में we have a patient, so I'm very really scared to take my child out of my house. So now this is an individualized approach where we can consider कि if that person is positive and your area is in containment zone, one thing what you can do, you can see the nearby pediatrician, take the appointment, go out, get vaccination, reach to the house immediately. That is one option. Second option, usually if there is a positive case in that particular area or locality, 15 days of containment is done. Post 15 days, get the vaccination immediately. These two things what I can advise you. Otherwise, on time, on the date where the vaccination is falling, you get it done. Second most important query, what most of almost 90-95% of the patients are coming up with is, can you give vaccine at home? Two major problems. First of all, it is medico-legally not correct and not safe for child as well as for the doctor who is giving this vaccine. Very important issue is cold chain maintenance. Vaccine is required to be stored in particular range of temperature of 2 degrees to 8 degrees, and few of the vaccines are supposed to be frozen. Mind you, this recommendation is not always followed when we carry the vaccine to one hospital to other or to patient's house. there are these healthcare workers who are visiting door to door to give vaccines in under the government program of Indradhanush. That is different aspect altogether. They also have a recommendation कि अभी निकले हैं तो इतने टाइम के अंदर finish करो, and they have totally different protocols what they are following, but not from the private clinic perspective. I am bound to follow Indian Academy of Pediatrics recommendations and guidelines. So I won't see any of the pediatrician visiting at home for a vaccination. I don't say कि cold chain maintenance breach नहीं होता है. There are few pauses like from the distributor it goes to a cold chain bag. That is a pause of say 1 minute or so when has to be transferred to the pediatrician. When the distributor's person comes to the pediatrician's door, there is a gap of 1 to 2 minutes when I remove it from the cold chain of that bag and put it in my refrigerator. But these are quite brief episodes. And secondly, as far as possible, we want to avoid as many as possible breaches in this cold chain maintenance, because it depotentiates the vaccine, which we should not do it. This is first part, and second part is, see, even if the pediatrician, which I don't think will go to home, but say your area is containment, because of that you are not getting your child for a vaccination, so how the doctor is going to approach to your place? Even that is not possible. But crux is no online, no house visit vaccinations. And third important question, what most of the patients come up with answering these two questions, like कि vaccination time पर करना ही है और घर पर आकर vaccination नहीं कर सकते हैं. So third question what the patient comes up with, sir, अगर मैं बच्चे को बाहर लेकर आता हूँ, if I get my child to the clinic for vaccination, I am scared that my child might acquire corona or COVID, or any one of us visiting with a child might acquire this infection. So how to go about that? This is very tricky question to answer, but the simplistic answer to this is, see, the exposure for the COVID is almost similar to any other travel or any other visit what you are getting. You are going out for shopping or for groceries or essential service, essential items and all. उसके टाइम पर जितना एक्सपोजर है वही एक्सपोजर आपको ड्यूरिंग क्लिनिक विजिट होता है. There are lots and lots of videos and informations and infographics which have been circulated, which shows the protective mechanisms what you can follow to decrease the exposure or decrease the possibility of acquiring infection, like wearing mask, keeping hand practices, hygienic practices, visiting as low minimum people as possible, hand wash. When you go to clinic, just wash your hands, get the vaccination done, wash your hands, go out to your vehicle and go to home. This kind of practices are important. Wearing a mask properly, not touching over the face when you are out, okay, and maintaining a good possible distance. Like if you are in a chamber of the doctor, only one person will be in a chamber of a doctor with the kid for vaccination, rest of the person will be waiting outside. Doctors are anyways taking due care that there is no overlapping of the patients, so that social distancing is getting maintained. So when you are taking all these protections, there are very very minimal possibilities of acquiring any corona or COVID infection. Okay, but this exposure is anyways present during whatever work you are performing, wherever you are going out of your house for whatever reason. This level of risk is anyways involved, so why you are so skeptical about going for a vaccination visit? And another very important thing is, like, what you can take care of during such situation is the this social distancing being followed, and this thing, make a payment by a card swipe or Paytm or Google Pay, whatever method you are following. Okay, and the important factor why the exposure is very minimal, or uh, why you should not be worried of this kind of exposure, because see, this any doctor's clinic is not a COVID zone. Doctors are also taking due care that COVID patient or suspected or possible COVID patients are getting referred to the COVID hospitals, and they are not mixing those patients with the vaccination kids or vaccination patients, first thing. Secondly, whatever you are afraid of कि aerosols जो है, जो climate में, जो environment में जो virus अगर कुछ laid down है, वो अगर acquire किया तो, see, very important thing is those areas where the containment zone is or COVID hospitals are there, the viral load in the environment can be higher. But other than that areas, whichever areas are there, the aerosol are containing very minimal number of viruses, so the probability of acquiring those virus in the body and those virus being able to proceed towards the disease making situation in your body is quite less, until and unless you are in very close contact of COVID positive person. सिंपल भाषा में अगर बोलते हैं या सिंपल लैंग्वेज, इट इज लाइक यू रिक्वायर से फॉर एग्जांपल 10 million copies of viruses to cause any disease in your body. That kind of or that level of viral bodies reaches to your body only in certain scenarios, like if you are working with a COVID positive patients or containment zones, or you are in a very close contacts like healthcare workers, the frontline workers like doctors, nurses, healthcare staffs who are taking care of COVID patients. And second, if you are staying, the second positive possibility is having very close contact to the person who is just in your house. If these two things are not there, that you are not a healthcare professional staff or doctor, and second, if there is no COVID positive patient in your house, the probability of you acquiring infection from the common environment is literally less, because in those areas the aerosols might be having maybe 100 copies of virus, maybe 1000 copies of virus. जो the this much load of the viruses are being taken care of by your body in any scenario, भी एकदम बेसिक इम्यूनिटी भी रहेगा ना, तो दिस लोड इज गेटिंग कवर्ड. इन्फेक्शन और इन्फेक्शन के वजह से डिजीज होने के लिए देयर शुड बी वेरी हैवी वायरल लोड, मे बी मिलियंस ऑफ कॉपीज ऑफ वायरसेस. सो 100,000 की तो कोई बात ही नहीं है. अगर वो अपने बॉडी में चला भी जाता है तो आवर बॉडी इज एबल टू टेक केयर ऑफ दैट मच लोड ऑफ वायरसेस. ठीक है, सो डोंट बी अफ्रेड, डोंट बी पैनिकी मोड. Consider this as an essential services. Consider this that this has to be done at doctor's clinic, and don't be worried कि बाहर निकलने से बच्चों को वायरस लग सकता है या आपको भी लग सकता है. Of course there is a possibility, the probability is very very minimal. और अगर वो इन्फेक्शन लगता भी है तो वेरी माइल्डर लेवल ऑफ इन्फेक्शन रहता है, विच इज योर बॉडी इज एबल टू टेक केयर ऑफ until unless you are immunocompromised. Say for example steroid therapy है या कैंसर ट्रीटमेंट है या यू नो दिस कीमोथेरेप्यूटिक ड्रग्स है, या फिर कुछ ऐसी बीमारियां हैं जिसके वजह से आपकी इम्यून सिस्टम बहुत ही लो है. अदरवाइज योर बॉडी इज able to take care of this minor load of viruses. Okay, meanwhile just take a healthy practices of hand hygiene, using of proper mask, and avoiding the physical contact over the face and hands as much as possible. And second very important thing is consuming good level of hygienic food and fruits जो भी available है, वो आप for your immune system to be built up. These all things what you can do. That's all my friends from today. Namaskar. Thank you.